Jimmy Baby again, and like I'm really committed to trying to release videos like every day and make sure that they're a little bit longer than usual. Make sure that they're so hi you guys, it's Jimmy Baby again, and like I said, I was determined, and I still am determined to like record every part of my life that I hope that you guys find interesting. This is very therapeutic for me, so I'm actually a fun, outgoing person, especially when you get to know me. Like, I'm a real homebody, and I'm a family person, and I love those that love me, and even if they don't love me, I'm still a loving person. Things that I realized that my gap is getting a little bit bigger. Oh my god, like, should I get my teeth done or something? Like, I never noticed that my gap is moving further and further apart. Or should I say farther and farther apart? Is that how you say it? Look, I have a book on grammar. I really need to try and improve my grammar and stuff. So, yeah, moving on. Moving on from that, I'm realizing that stress really does affect our lives, and that we should like try our best to minimize it. I'm recording on my iPad, and Lord, I just saying to myself, like, I really have to take better care of my tablet. Like, I got like a tablet, what is it? A tablet cover, okay, something like that. So that if it does fall again, it will be somewhat protected, because I really cracked the screen on it. So hopefully. So yeah. How's my day been so far? Really good. Um I tried. The thing is, what I did today is I tried to blow dry all of the moisture out of my hair. I don't know where my hair gets all of this excess moisture from, but it's like I continuously kept blow drying my hair until I saw the steam blowing out, and then I like stood in front of a fan, started to cool off a little bit, and so that it would like somehow like stop my hair from curling again and again and being frizzy and stuff. But I just realized that I have really frizzy hair, so I want, even though I'm a naturalist and everything, I really want to try a Japanese treatment inside my hair. And I've been watching some of the videos so far, and it's not even so much about, not being natural. I always wanted to have like fully natural hair, but like I want to be able to style it too. And honestly, living in the climate that I live in is really hard, because it's always humid, it's always hot for the most part. Like, some days we'll get like cooler days, but I know that like tourists will probably be like, oh, it's so warm, what are you guys complaining about? Especially like if we got like a cold like a cold winter or something like that. They'll be like, oh my god, it's so warm, and I'm like, what are you guys talking about? It's so hot outside. And yeah, I'm tired of the frizz, because like honestly, I find myself damaging my hair even worse than it was before. Like, to when I really try to maintain it and to like curl it, because I love curls and stuff like that. And when I try to do that, it's like I mess my hair up even worse. And my hair is pretty resistant, so I put a lot of heat into my hair only for it to turn into one big curly poof. And you can see that, and I'm gonna try to like include a picture of it like there or something. And it was, oh my goodness, it was so messed up, because it just turned like into a curly poof, and I'm like, I spent at least 5 hours inside my hair. Yeah, and only for it to revert right back. And especially when I put some of the gel on it, because gel has like a water base to it. So I had my hair in like a high ponytail, and I'm like, look at these ends, they are all poofed out. But I had it like in cornrows before that, and it seemed to stay straight. But as soon as I took the cornrows or the braids down, it's like I was exposed to the atmosphere and all I saw was one big curly poof. So I don't even know what to say. Like, before I take this step into the unknown, because I saw, like, my hair is color treated, so there again, not fully natural unless I cut off all my ends, I guess. But then it's still natural, just has color in it. Like, these are the things that I think about when I don't speak about them in my videos, and it's like, my hair is still color treated, but it's still natural, so I don't really care. It's still gonna grow. And like, I feel like a lot of people have like good hair days and stuff like that because they always trim their hair. So like, they always have like new hair to style, so their hair isn't weak and fragile and all that stuff. So far I've grown like 6 inches of hair. I really did. I grew like 6 inches of hair since the last time I highlighted it. And it's really, really healthy. I always had thick hair, and even when I try to quench it, like put a lot of moisture in it, hydrate it and stuff like that, I feel like I'm weighing it down. And honestly, the only way I find myself being able to treat my hair, especially with my schedule and my responsibilities, is to actually do something like, I want to is that even possible, naturally straighten it? Like, I don't know. What are my options out there? I think, like, you guys should try to suggest some of these things to me, because then I feel like when I went to certain stores and, like, I saw the different products that they had on the shelf for straightening, I'm like, these are still chemicals. And, like, I did chemistry before, and my lecturer explained it to me. Like, it's just a milder relaxer. The formula is still the same, but it's just like a milder relaxer. So I'm still relaxing my hair. So what is that saying to me? That maybe I should make a permanent decision, like, instead of burning all of my hair off trying to get it to straight, and it's not gonna be straight. Should I just chemically process my hair so that I could be able to be more manageable? I don't want to do that. I guess I'll just keep wearing my wigs or something. Every time when I have like these serious thoughts about what I should do with my hair, I always consider the fact that maybe I should just get me in a wig or style my wig in a different style. That's all I'm thinking, because I don't want to make a decision and then my hair ends up a certain way, and then I'm like, and I actually chopped all my hair off just for this to happen. I don't want to do another braid job. I don't. And a lot of people say that they like those hairstyles that I used to have, like the little short, choppy style. No, that's not me. I like all kind of different colors and, something over the top. Yeah. Like a bunch of different colorful colors and styles and curls and all these things. I know who I am, so I'm secure with that. And I just want to be able to express myself through my hair. And, like, right now I'm just laying down thinking about these things. Like, should I really, really go through with changing how my hair looks? I don't think so. So I'm just gonna wear the wig and then go through another day. But I think it's just the weather though, because there was a time, I think it was in the winter time or in the autumn. So yeah, I think it was sometime in the autumn or something like that, on the fall. And like, I straightened my hair and it was so long and beautiful. And then like I had like a side-by-side representation of what was going on. And my hair actually stayed that way for like a longer time than usual. So I'm trying to figure out what did I do differently. I think it was just the temperature. I think that has everything to do with like the temperature and stuff like that. But I have come to accept what goes on with my hair. I don't know what to do. That's why I just put the wig back on. Like how I keep saying, and just put the wig back on. So, what can I say? What's new? Oh, well, I received in the mail some kind of vibrating thing for your face, and it's like really good. It actually helps to give you a facelift, and it also helps to enhance and promote like circulation in your skin. Unless it also extracts blackheads from your skin as well. I believe that because I was using it the other day, and like it seemed like my skin was actually trying to purge itself, and like it was purging itself. So I did some extractions on my face, but I didn't do it so harshly that it will actually cause like blemishes. So yeah, I didn't do it so harshly that it would actually cause some blemishes on my face or anything like that. This is how it looks. It has two like different settings. It's the yellow settings, it's really high, and then it's like the red settings, it's sort of low. And it's so gentle. I love how it feels when it just massages your face. But what I am supposed to be doing with this, my face is supposed to be clean. I'm supposed to actually steam open my pores. And after I steam open my pores, I'm supposed to use that on my clean skin. That's the proper way to use it. But sometimes, in between times, I just like putting it on my face. And it feels so good. And I've been trying to be sleeping on time as well, because I feel like that also helps with stress and stuff like that. Your body actually repairs and heals itself when you get enough sleep. Another thing is like within the last couple months, I've rediscovered like the importance of actually eating balanced meals throughout the day. Like I really didn't realize how much I was trying to watch my weight or my figure, but not recently. Like, if that makes any sense, like I wasn't really trying to lose any weight because I like my curvaceous figure, but it's just that like you do things subconsciously sometimes. Like you'll be like, let me try to minimize how much I eat or stuff like that, so that it will have better results on a different day. And like I never have been so happy after I started eating more food. I mean, like seriously, if a person happens to be angry or has a nerve problem or something like that, I think you should just offer them a nice plate of food, because sometimes that's all what it takes to be happy again. Like just eating some food, getting that nutrition, like boosting your sugars and stuff like that. You just want to feel good. Eating food is going to make you feel good. So these are just like random thoughts that I'm thinking about throughout the day. And like my kids, or should I say my children, they are a handful. And they are very, very, very energetic. So sometimes I have a chance to just chill and I wouldn't say talk to myself, but talk to you guys on YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. If you don't like it, it's cool. If you like it, super cool. So let me know what you think. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.